Hello everyone, for today's video, I'll show you how to double tap to screen on and off Honor X6B. Let's try to this. It's double tap. No, I show you how. Let's open the cell phone and let's go to the settings. Just press the settings and search for accessibility features. Then tap the shortcut and gestures. After that, you search weak screen. Tap the weak screen. You tap the weak screen. Then after you tap the weak screen, tap the double tap to wake up. That's all. Then back. Let's try. Let's try to double tap to screen on and off of Honor X6B. Let's try. Yeah, that's right. It's on when I'll double touch the screen. Let's try again. Okay, that's good. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. God bless.